So today maybe I will talk about my journey in Polytechnic IDN. Okay, but in this part I will tell you about my journey in semester 1. Okay, so I come to IDN on July July at 2025 as a new student, and I never I never feel like I'm a new student, and the kegiatan is very crazy. I never think I can backpacker like from from this uh, village in Jonggol goes to the Palembang, and yeah, maybe a destination we will go, and I will recap for you guys. Okay, so in my first day in Polytechnic IDN, I feel is really hard because I am from South Sulawesi. I didn't have friend, not like other people. They have friends like one or two people, and I and myself didn't have one friends, anyone. And because of that, I make a relationship first for student in Polytechnic, then with my boarding house friend, and I have a conversation with him, and yeah, until this day I have friend with him. Okay, and after that I remember we have a kegiatan in the day 7 in MPLS. We go to camp area to do malam keakraban, and uh, after that I have many relationship, many friends from that, because make we must make a friend from that malam keakraban. And after that we have uh, yes, I remember, and we have a kegiatan in uh, oh, I remember, paperclip challenge. uh, that challenge is really hard, I think, because once paperclip you must thread the paperclip for like 10 times minimal, and you must get a product or like yeah, anything you can thread or change that with that your paper clip. I do that challenge, and I have uh, I had uh, 10 times to thread that paper clip, from that paper clip until I the last I get a flat piring. Okay, And after that challenge, we get another challenge again. uh, the next challenge is business survival. That challenge is really hard too, because we must make a product, and after that we must to sell it. And yeah, from that product we get we I and my team, we make a sandwich, and after that we sell it to people. And yeah, we we can do that challenge. Okay, so after that challenge, survival, uh, we have challenge again to to go, yeah. Oh no, I remember. The next is uh, we have uh, like maybe like almost same with the Malam Kakraban. We goes to camp area, and we walk like 20 kilometers from the IDN until the camp area. And we walk like maybe 10 hours maybe, I think. And after we arrive in the camp area, we study with the military 7 days, yeah, 7 or 5 days. we we commit with the military. We are training like uh, baris berbaris, many training we get from the military. And for I really remember like uh, 1 days before the activity, and we all goes to the field like sawah, to mandi lumpur. And yeah, that is very bad, I think, because it's really smells not good. And after that we goes to the river to swim and take a bath. And yeah, I really remember that activity because it's really fun, really memorized, and so remembering it for me. Okay, so the next activity in the semester 1 is, oh, in the 2 months after we do that all activity, we got uh, the selection from that, and I didn't lulus because I have some problems. And but I have any change, and I do the the task, and I am achieve to be a student of Polytechnic UIN. And after that, uh, we have activity again to go Palembang. This one activity is really hard and makes me tired tired because it's really yeah, maybe you can think when from the Polytechnic IDN you just have some money and your ATM is yeah, and your no that's ATM, but you must go to Palembang but with backpacker. So uh, the activity name is Edures. So from the Jonggol I go with car from the Daya in traditional market. We go to the alun-alun Jonggol and we transit with a car again, goes to the station, train station. And after we arrive in the train station, uh, in the Cikarang, we must go to the Jakarta first because we have some checkpoint on that. First checkpoint I remember is you must go to the Masjid Istiqlal and the Monas, yeah, yeah. And after that, uh, many checkpoint in Jakarta, and after we done for the checkpoint on Jakarta, we go to the pelabuhan to go to the transit with ship ferry, yeah. And we goes to the Lampung with the ship, and after we arrive in the Lampung we oh we find some travel car for go to the station, for the train station in Lampung. And after we arrive in the train station, we all go find some place to take a sleep because we really tired because we all we my team and me go to the Sumatra. And in the morning we use train go to the Palembang, yeah. In the Palembang we have many checkpoint on there. We must go to the Ampera and Kuto, yeah, many checkpoint on there. So that activity is really remembering of me because that's my first time I backpacker, and this is the new experience. I think I never do this, and like uh, I I really fun for this activity. And for the last activity in the semester one, we got goes to Merbabu, Mount Merbabu. I got Mount Merbabu, and my friend got Mount Slamet, and this is my first experience to hiking, and I think hiking is really fun. Maybe because I with my friend, or maybe because the mountain is very beautiful from the landscape and anything. And yeah, in the Merbabu, uh, we for my first experience, uh, I prepare myself because I don't know I can summit or no, because like 3,000 mdpl you must hiking, and it's really impossible, I think, because I never hiking. But after I hiking in the first time, I prepare myself and training. I goes to mountain in Sukamakmur, and I training there, and I feel it's really hard because I hiking first in 1700 mdpl, and I think it's really hard for me because my knee is gemetar, and my body is really tired, and but I still optimist to submit in Merbabu, because maybe that's just my last chance for go Merbabu, or maybe I can get another chance to go Merbabu again. But because that's I have chance to go to Merbabu, I really excited. So in the first day we go to the Merbabu, because the Merbabu we have 2 days to hiking, and in first day we start hiking from the base camp, and start from there I feel really tired because we carry the carrier, and I think it's really weight is really berat, and I I think, how can I bring this back go to the up in the mountain. And so when I hiking, I managed really many to stop because I feel tired. And yeah, so the first semester in Polytechnic IDN, I get many new experience, like business, like backpacker, traveling, and yeah, so many activity I cannot uh, lupakan, yeah. And I will maybe I will remember this activity until all my life. and and yeah, maybe yes, that from me for the story from the journey from the semester 1. Yeah, thank you.